I want to talk about how to make money when you don't have a suite. And I know I talked about this before, but you're technically going to be a virtual esthetician, okay? That's what you're going to be. And so what that's going to look like is if you are a virtual esthetician, you're going to be able to offer a few things like digital products / services. Okay, what is digital products and / services? So that's going to be like ebooks, which is a product, a guide, which is a product. Maybe a digital service you can offer is a personal online shopper. These are going to be digital products and services that you can offer. That was the digital services. So the other thing that you can offer as a virtual esthetician is affiliate. And I'm probably spelling this wrong. Marketing. What that's going to be is that's your Amazon associates. That's a popular one. Many creators, influencers use online. The other one is going to be Amazon influencer, which is another popular one. So the difference between these two is the Amazon associates is like you share the links, right? This one you have a storefront and you also share links and you can share your idea list, okay? Another one that's on Amazon is on-site. I forgot, it's on-site something, but this is more so like video content, which you can get paid really good. Video content, basically somebody watch a video on Amazon, then they make a purchase from your video. Something like that. So you have 3 things. This one is kind of easy to apply for. I think you have to have 3 sales to get accepted. And then this one, you have to have a certain amount of followers and an active social media account. And then this one is a little bit more strict, I guess, and it takes a very long time because literally I feel like I didn't get accepted. It took 6 months. I think it took me 6 months to get accepted. I think it took a long time. So when people say that it takes a long time, it does. I don't know why, but it took a long time to get this. But those are options. Look them up, Google them, YouTube them, see how you can make money as an esthetician. So last month in April, I barely made anything, basically. I mean, I didn't make anything. I had 3 sales on my digital products for the month of April, and they all were free products. So there's gonna be some months that you don't make any money, okay? And that's just simply from my digital products. But let's check out also what I made on Amazon and YouTube and stuff like that. So for the month of April, for Amazon, I made $34.90. Then for YouTube, I made $119.58. Now this is solely because for YouTube, in order for you to be able to get paid monthly, you have to at least have $100. So this is from March and the month of April. So basically, because I made 50 something in March, 50 something in April, and boom, that's where the get nothing for the month of March. And it's kind of been that way for me on my channel, just because ever since I left my spa suite, I have not seen those $100 months or more in a very long time since Georgia. So I'm trying to rebuild myself, get myself up there, and do what I need to do. I do have to give myself grace because I do have a 9-to-5, and at that time, I wasn't working a 9-to-5. I didn't have a job at all, I think for like 3 months. So probably why it's more time that was dedicated into putting out videos, which I would love to get back to. It's just life is lifing for myself right now. But here, I still show up looking rough and all. We gonna do what we do. I made $119.58. So let's calculate the month of April from 3 different passive incomes. The digital products, I made 0, okay? Amazon, I made $34.90, I believe. And then YouTube, $119.58. So that is a total of $154.48 for the month of April. Not bad for it being passive and me not having to worry about it, but I would love to increase those numbers. I just been low for so long like that, and I just would like to increase them. I'm working on it. I'm also going to share with you guys the month before April for Amazon. I got paid twice for Amazon, and that could have been again for the Amazon influencer and the Amazon associate. So I just can't remember which one. On March 30th, I got paid $13.29, and then March 2nd, I got paid $11.21. That's how much I made for the month of March. Let's look at the digital products. The month of March don't look bad with my digital products at all. I'm excited about it. I actually, for the month of March, I made $50, if I'm not mistaken. Let me make sure that's correct. 25 plus 15 plus 10. Yes, it's $50. Oh, it don't seem like it would be. I made $50 with my own digital products. And like I told you, YouTube, for the month of March, I didn't make anything. Well, I made $50, but that just rolled over to April because you have to have a minimum of 100 to be able to get paid monthly. So we're just gonna write it off as making zero because I added it for April because that's when I got paid. That is the reality of when you are a virtual esthetician, okay? Your money is up and down, but it's passive. You can still work your 9 to 5. You can grow even more. That's where I'm at. I'm trying to grow. I've been kind of like stagnant in these numbers for a couple of years now, and I would like to see myself growing. I just feel like for me, there's been a lot of personal things going on in my life that's like distractions and interruptions, and it's just like living in a matrix, and things are trying to block you and stop you from being the best version that you know you are called to be. And I think that's where I'm at right now with things, but I'm still here and I'm still going, and as long as God give me breath, can you continue to do this? This is what I'm gonna do. And I just have to like take it day by day, even when I have those days when I just wanna ball up and cry and just be to myself, because it's not easy. It's not easy at all. But I feel like if you have the dedication and determination and you can see the greatness and you know it and only you know it, of course God always gonna know, but you see it, nobody else around you do. As long as you keep working at that and keep going, I believe it will be a success. And this is a message to self, but I'm talking to you too, because if you're in that same boat, you're gonna get through. Definitely if it's something that you truly want to do and you truly see the end goal out of it. Literally, all it takes is $5 to price your digital products at the lowest. But I wouldn't even start there. That's where I started. You can price it 15, 20, price it and promote it. Promote it in your content. Share your ideas, promote it. There's things that I'm trying to teach myself. It's so crazy because as time goes on, things that came easy to you or things that you can do with just the blink of an eye. Life happens. COVID took a toll on people. Things changed, but the momentum, do it while you have the momentum. That's what I will say. Do it while you have the energy. Don't wait for too long where you're losing interest and you're losing energy. Just get back into it. Do it. Sell your digital products for $10, $15, $20, okay? Make sure they tie into each other. So therefore they bought the entry one, okay? Now they can graduate and go to the next one. They all tie into each other. They're steppers, basically. Y'all, I'm doing this while working a 9 to 5, okay? I literally work a 9 to 5. I work full time. Totally not a full-time person. If you know me, you know I'm not, but I have to do what I have to do. I have people who depend on me. I have kids who look up to me, and I'm just glad that I'm able to show them and teach them so that they can be better than me and do better than me. Okay, I want them to be millionaires while they're 30, 20 if possible. You know what I mean? All the information I know, I'm definitely gonna give it to them. They need to do it. At least as a mother, I can say I did my part. Sorry, I'm getting off topic, but this is all what comes with it. And I said this before and I'm gonna say it again. My clients right now are my digital products. So this is literally how I make my money. I don't have no physical clients right now. It's digital, okay? It's digital clients, which people buy my products, whether they're from affiliate links or my own products. And then my 9 to 5, that's pretty much it. I did do a Facebook post saying that I was going to be taking makeup appointments in June. The reason why is because I had to think to myself, I said, okay, Champagne, you don't have a spa, that's fine. So I don't have the overhead costs. I don't have to buy back bar products like that. There's a lot of things I don't have to buy that would be super expensive for me to get back started. So I have to outweigh the good with the bad. The only thing is traveling and then just making sure the environment environment and everything is safe and protecting myself. I don't want a lot of clients, and I mentioned that on my post. I don't want everybody. I will be reaching out to people personally via text message, because most of the people that I do want, I have their phone number. So I will be reaching out to them and letting them know, hey, I'm back in motion and I'm looking for regular, consistent clients. And if you want to be a part of this journey with me, because they know me. And you know what? I had to think and have to give myself more props. My reviews speak for themselves. And that's another thing. If you have reviews, if you have people who've mentioned good things about you, that's another form of content you need to be sharing on the internet. Why? Because that builds trust and credibility. Okay, you've been in the game. You just took a break from the game. But your work and what people say about you speaks volumes of you. And I had to tell myself that, you know, like, yeah, I've been on pause. I had a chance to do celebrities makeup. Those are things that we don't give ourselves credit enough. And, you know, to me, it is what it is. It was an opportunity and I loved it and I was thankful. But those little bits and pieces that go on in our life, we have to really make the best use of it. And then sometimes we got to pick ourselves back up and be like, hey, I'm her, I'm him. I don't know, that's my rant. I told myself, since I can't take people like in person at a spa right now, you know, my living situation, I'll talk to you guys about that once I'm ready. But there's a lot of things going on. I just feel like I'm on the go. I just feel like, you know, I have my moments where I feel like I should be a lot further than where I'm at. But I know in due time, I know God has a plan for me. And I just have to be patient and just do my part. And I'm doing it. No, it's not sexy. No, it's not fun. It's a lot of sacrifice and a lot of loneliness that comes with it. And there's people around you just won't understand. They won't. And that's fine. But as long as you have that understanding, that's all that matters. And then just look for the goals. Set the goals for yourself and finish them, because you're going to feel so good finishing them. I promise you. That's where I'm at right now. I literally create digital products, and those digital products are my clients right now. Like I said, I did put a Facebook post out saying that, hey, I will be opening up in June. I only want regular clients, and I only want people that are going to align with me. Yeah, so that's what I do right now for my digital services. Digital products, affiliate marketing, and then just working my 9-to-5. It's not digital, but that's a form of my income. For the affiliate marketing side of things, if you completely want to be passive, share the links, okay? If you are a link person, if you're great at sharing links and you're great at talking about what you use, that's what I do. I share what I use, or I share what I recommend. Can I be better at this? Of course, I can be a whole lot better at this. It's just I'm limited and stretched thin on time. And so right now I'm in a process. One of my goals is, I said I would share with y'all once I finish them. That's one of my goals that kind of got me stretched thin right now, but I'll share with you what they are once I finish them. For affiliate marketing, like I said, share them. If you have YouTube, share them in your descriptions. If you're on Facebook, share them in your comment section or in your post. Same as Instagram, share them. The only downside about Reels, I think, is they only last for like 24 to 48 hours. That's the thing that sucks, but it does give you traction, credibility, and stuff like that. Basically getting you out there so people can know, okay, this person does exist. Oh, this person, people, you know, she have done things. That's what that is. But the affiliate side of things is going to be completely, truly passive. There's no physical products that you have to ship out. That's what Amazon coming at. They'll do that. And it's not just Amazon that is affiliate marketing. There's other things, like definitely if you got a brand deal, right? And they give you your own link for your followers to purchase. So every time your followers purchase, then you earn a commission on that. Those are really great too. Yeah, that's what I have for that. Building for the future, okay, you guys. So I haven't started virtual consultations yet, and that's okay with me because I'm just building my foundation right now. I'm just building from what I'm doing now, and then Lord willing, eventually those virtual consultations will follow through for me. And if you're in a transition like me, don't rush. Give yourself some grace. Trust me, like, we can be the most harsh and cruelness we could for ourselves. So like, give yourself some grace, give yourself some time, okay? Use this time to get your house in order, handle your responsibilities so that you don't have to stress over bills and food. Those are the main expenses, shelter and food. Let's get our house in order so we don't have to stress on that, so that we can focus on the things that we would love to focus on, and that we wouldn't mind just doing it for free, but then also we're doing it and we're getting paid for it. That's beauty. To me, that's everything. Build off of your digital presence. Build a digital product. Get started with affiliate marketing. And if you want to go to people's homes and do their makeup or facials, do that. You don't have to worry about paying $1,200 a month at a suite. Talk about the 9 to 5 grind. Right now I'm filming this video. This is a Saturday. I film these videos on my off days. Most of the time when I'm filming or doing a video, it's either I'm on my break, I'm off from work. Definitely YouTube, I have to be off from work. I just cannot focus filming, working my 9 to 5 and doing all the other things. I'm totally exhausted. But on those other times, I'm doing like editing quick Facebook and Instagram videos. That's fine. And then I also do like thumbnails. That type of stuff I can focus on during the week, but really sitting here giving you my undivided attention in this time, definitely have to do it on my off days, okay? That's the true grind. And then just staying consistent. There has been days, you know, maybe I went over a week, just a little bit, but I'm still showing up. It's not too much. It's not like I took a month off. I haven't did that in a while. I'm happy about that. I'm still showing up even when I feel like I'm looking rough. I'm not feeling my best self. Hair ain't looking the best. You know, it's all sorts of things going on, but here I am. I still show up because I know everything I'm going through right now is temporary and it will get better. And I tell myself that all the time. It's literally about not stopping, okay? I tell myself this all the time. It doesn't matter if you make $5 a month. It doesn't matter if you make $100 a month or $0 a month. I'm still showing up regardless because I know deep down inside in my heart that it will be more because I'm showing up every day. And make sure y'all comment down below and let me know which part of the video that resonated with you or sticked out with you more, okay? Whatever part that you really felt like it was beneficial and you feel like it's gonna be beneficial for all of us as a whole, let me know and I'll do a video on it. But I just thought that this video was very much needed. And if you like videos like this, comment for more. Like, share, the whole 9 yards, and join us because we have a family of estheticians on here. And some of y'all follow me that's not estheticians, but y'all into the beauty and skincare things. We have family regardless. And it's up from here. Bye.